Banking. What is the use of this module and who will use this module? Banking module is where you will reconcile your records with the bank records to check if all recorded deposits are already cleared in the bank as well as the disbursed payments. This is where you can check the bank receipts and withdrawals which were reflected in the bank statements but not recorded in the system. This module will also help the finance department to analyze the available funds in the bank and manage the cash flows. There are two ways to reconcile. First, through manual reconciliation, where you will manually match the YBO records and the bank records. Second, through automated reconciliation. The system will suggest the matches from the imported bank statement against the system records. How does bank reconciliation work? For manual bank reconciliation, go to Banking. Then select Bank Reconciliation. On the Bank Reconciliation window, select the cash account you want to reconcile, then select Reconciliation Date. Enter the statement ending balance from the passbook or bank statement. To reconcile clear deposits and disbursement in the system against the passbook or bank statements, simply click the checkbox of the corresponding transaction. Then click Save. To do the automated bank reconciliation, you have to first import the bank statement via Import Data. Simply go to the User List panel, where you can see it under Others. Then select Import Data. In the Import Data window, select Banking. From the Banking window, download the template you will use for the importing. Click Choose File to select the banking file you want to import. Please make sure that the file is in .csv format. Then click Next. Select the cash in bank account that corresponds to the file you want to import. Make sure to double-check the data before you import. And finally click Submit. After importing, you are now ready to reconcile the bank against book records. Go to Banking to confirm the system matches. Select cash account and date to reconcile, then click search icon to reload. To confirm, just select the boxes of the transaction with matches. Then click the Match button. You can see all the reconciled amounts in the Reconcile tab and all the imported amounts in All Transactions tab. After reconciling your bank and book or system records, you may check on the Bank Reconciliation Report for the summary of the deposit in transit and outstanding checks. You have just reconciled your bank against your book records.